Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this one here. An UASI NUASI 4G LTE wildlife camera system with a mobile phone transmission app control. It's a solar surveillance camera for auto use with SIM card. Nano SIM card. It's a 2K wildlife camera with PIR motion detector and night vision, two-way audio, app remote access, and IP66 waterproof. Because this wildlife camera comes with SIM card support, 3G, 4G network connections. But it does not support Wi-Fi. Of course. The pre-installed SIM card improves the compatibility between the surveillance camera and the SIM card and ensures a stable signal reception. It also offers a 7-day of unlimited data. A subscription required after this 7 days, of course. It is ideal for use in an area without a Wi-Fi coverage, such as in forest, hunting areas, and wildlife surveillance camps. This wildlife camera, with night vision and motion detector, offers 2K ultra high definition image quality that allows it to record real-time videos and photos of the wildlife, so every detail is clear and visible. In addition, we can remotely control the wildlife camera anytime and anywhere via our mobile phone. This makes the operation easier and more comfortable than as the conventional wildlife cameras out there. This wildlife camera here with a motion detector is equipped with a 4-watt solar panel and a 7,800 mAh battery to convert the sunlight into the current required for a continuous operation. It stores the energy and thus ensures a year-round, uninterrupted operation, even in places without the power source. Thanks to the IP66 waterproof rating, it can withstand extreme weather conditions, and it is therefore ideal for hunting, wildlife observation, and monitoring the remote areas such as farms, ranches, and the wilderness. This wildlife camera with battery is equipped with a powerful PIR motion sensor and a fast response time of 0.2 seconds, which ensures a precision motion detection and instant photo or video recording, and sends real-time notifications to our phone. The 850 nm LED night vision functions ensures a clear image of the wild animals even in a low light condition at the night, and does not disturb small and bigger animals out there, which allows for more pleasant observation. This wildlife camera with a mobile phone transmission has a built-in microphone and speaker that allow the remote communicate through the app's two-way audio features, so we can conveniently interact with visitors or scare away intruders. We have 2 mounting and 2 storage options because this wildlife camera supports TF card memory up to 128 GB, which is sold separately, and cloud storage, 30-day trial. So we can share the real-time access with the family and friends and thus monitor the camera together. The LTE wildlife camera can be attached with screws. It can also be attached to a tree or other objects with straps, this making the installation, of course, much easier. We have new unlimited data plans, subscription required. For example, a month will only add €12.9, 360 days, round about €100, 180 days, €60, and 720 days with 180. So you can build the unlimited data plan subscription as you need it, or you use your own nano SIM card with an still operating mobile contract, of course. This gives us the Nuazi 4G LTE wildlife camera. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!